Today I'm gonna make this triangle samosa. It's really yummy in taste. So I'm gonna share this recipe with you. Watch till end. Firstly, we have to cook this mince. It's about 300 gram beef mince and 4 to 5 medium size of onion, which is normally sliced, and 2 to 3 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. So firstly, we have to just brown the onions. Now frying the onions here. It's less than half. Add mince here. We'll add ginger garlic paste, red chili powder 1 teaspoon or as per your taste. Salt to taste. The remaining onions we will add here. Now mix it. So now after adding 2 glasses of water, we will let it cook. Cover it and let it cook till it gets tender. Now after half an hour, we have to just cook it until the oil gets separate like this. Then we will add allspice powder, half teaspoon. Mix it. So now after adding the allspice powder, the oil is separated now, as you can see. So it means it's done. We can turn off the stove. After cooling it, we will add the onions, which is finely chopped. It's around 2 medium size of onions, which is chopped. I'm gonna add it here. Green chilies, 3 to 4 tablespoons, or as per your taste. Coriander leaves, 4 to 5 tablespoons. Now mix it well. So now after mixing it well, our mix is ready. So now we are gonna just make samosa. So now first of all, we have to take this strip. You can say it is samosa strip, or you can get easily from any bakery or any store, any supermarket. You can get easily from anywhere. So first of all we have to know, just make a triangle like this and then fold it. You'll get a cone like this. So for sticking, we have to stick it first here, like here and here. So I'm applying it first. Stick it, make a triangle like this. Now fold it, fold it. Now you have a cone like this. Okay, so you can get easily, you can just fill your mix, whatever you have made. Take a medium quantity. That's enough. If you think that's enough, stop it. So now just press it and fold it gently. Make another triangle like this. Now the rest we have to stick it so it won't get open during frying. Now our triangle samosa is ready. We can fry it. Now I'm gonna do the same for the rest. Make 20 samosa for you. So 20 samosas are done here. So now we have to fry it. Oil is hot enough. I'm gonna fry it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Place it one by one gently. So after frying it, it's done. It's ready to serve. Serve it hot. So our triangle samosa is done now. If you like this recipe, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. We'll meet you in another video with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. So guys, here I'm giving a big shout out to our channel, EbadSwaggy. He promotes to make comedy skits and short videos. You would love to watch it. So I'm adding the link in the description below. Go and watch his channel, subscribe it and share it. Thanks for watching.